Okay, we're looking at DBA on April 28th. This is the PowerShares Agricultural ETF. It contains about 10 to 12 agricultural commodities. We called the bottom in the low 19s here. We were only off by 4 or 5 cents. And we've gotten long. We've now been shooting up, which is great. But now we have to look at the overall pattern. Is this a bear market bottom? It's definitely possible, and we want to take a look at how far could it run to the upside now. We also want to see, are we sure that it has bottomed? One thing that is a little bit of a concern is we would have preferred this thicker blue line to be the bottom of a much stronger bottom for a major rally. The only problem with that is we did not want this thin green line broken, and that comes in obviously above the rising blue line here. So the only way they could both be satisfied is further out this year. There's a point where both of them could be satisfied. But let's assume for right now that we're going to run a lot higher, and that this potentially is a bear market bottom. If that's the case, then the first place we should look for resistance is the underside of former support, which is this green line, and that comes in at about just over 20, about $20.10. Then we have established resistance coming in at about 21. Beyond that, we are going to hit another resistance at about 22.50, and if we can get beyond that, then we have further. It goes on and on. I don't believe that on this run we are likely to get beyond this level here, the 22. This is actually about 22.60 as of now. I think that would be our target on the upside. It's a bit early to determine that, but if it were to get beyond that, we could see 24, we could see 28. It could go quite a bit higher. One issue that has me a little concerned is that daily RSI has picked up relatively quickly as price has gone up, and the way I look at RSI is when RSI is rising, we're burning fuel to the upside. There's many ways to look at RSI, but in this case I don't really want to see it neutralize this fast. We are now on daily indicators at 53, so it's neutral for the move that we've had to the upside. We don't really want to see that. It limits how far it can move on this particular leg up. But I would be expecting a move to the underside of this green line, as I said before, and again that's just over 20, so that's our short-term target to the upside. If we have a pullback from there, we may have to wait. We may have to wait until we can use this thicker blue line as our major support, our bear market bottom. That may be what we have to wait for. But in any case, this is the complexity of DBA, and the reason why we can't definitively say that this is a bear market bottom, but it is a significant bottom, and we do expect more upside out of DBA, at least in the short term.